Okay, well, I went through the HTS 2000, tons of it, seems like. Really just a few ounces, I guess, and I didn't seem to get the aluminum hot enough. And that might be due to the weakness of my torch, user error, or just bad luck, things like that. So anyway, we're going to try JB Weld. I got this off Amazon. It was the professional size. So I watched a couple of videos or more on how to use this stuff, and so decided to make a video of my own. It's a work in progress. It kind of sucks. Can't even begin to test this thing until it actually works. And I'm too stubborn to take it to a welder, apparently. Or they're too stubborn to have a good system to where I can get my business done quickly, so I get aggravated and try other things, apparently. So anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use acetone, which is in this junk that I would never use anyway, except for this purpose. I'm going to use acetone in that, and I'm going to clean around. I've already braided everything really good a couple days ago, so it should be fine. So I'll do that real quick, and I do not like the smell of this stuff. It's enough to wreck the nose. So we're gonna do this and put that like so. And how do we secure that? Well, we're not gonna be able to secure that, I don't think. So I'll just clean it one-handed. See, I need to have a tripod and a good setup, but you know what? Give me enough time. Eventually get into that. Ooh, this stuff stinks like. Big breath. Not much is coming off. That's a good sign. Yeah, this stuff stinks. I'll put the cap up on there. I was left by the old ex-wife a few years ago. So I'm gonna keep going here. Acetone the crap out of this. Everybody says, "Oh, you know, most of it's preparation when you use the JB Weld." So we'll prep it real good. Like I said, I've braided the crap out of this for the HTS 2000 fiasco, and we'll find out together. My recommendation when you're watching videos like this is fast forward it to the end, because then you'll know right away what the crap. Ooh, look at that. Oh, you know what that is? It's acetone dissolving the paint. I painted it with. So we're going to call that good. I know that's kind of not everything it could be, but I've got to get this stuff on here. I'm so sick of waiting for this. This has been like an overdue project. And if this doesn't work, I will take it to a welder and have them do it properly. I'll have to eat it and do that. Okay, so JB Weld, first time I've used this stuff. And I guess you put equal 1 to 1. So it comes like that. You gotta pop that little seal with the cap. Did it pop? Yep. So we'll put out some right there. And I want to be generous. I would not want to be one-handed. It's a problem. Hold on here. Let me do this right. With 2 hands. Haha. Yeah. Stuff's hard to get out. Maybe I didn't open it up good enough. So I guess if they're not half and half, it might be too rigid or too syrupy or something. Maybe I can brace this so you can see it. Can you? I don't know. Hold on. I'll use this popsicle stick and brace it. Of course, I'm going to be using the popsicle stick. Using nail polish to brace it.